Blockchain and cryptocurrency started with Bitcoin, or BTC, which took the world by storm in 2009, when it was introduced by the mysterious and pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. Due to Bitcoin's singular design and being first, the cryptocurrency has become enormously popular as an alternative store of value. Then came Ethereum in 2015. One of the key new features offered by Ethereum is its smart contracts capability, which could fast-track digital payments and execution of agreements automatically when certain conditions are met. Ethereum has become a towering network and become a hotbed for decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens. Cardano is now one of the most prominent blockchain platforms that came after Bitcoin and Ethereum, but that wasn't always the case. Let's take a closer look at the Cardano project. What's it all about, and what the future holds for this so-called third-generation blockchain? What is Cardano and what makes it different from other blockchain platforms? Cardano is a public open-source blockchain for building and running smart contracts and other decentralized protocols. The project was built from the ground up by a team led by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum. In contrast to many blockchains, Cardano did not kick off with a white paper, but it was the first blockchain to be peer-reviewed and developed by academic experts in the field. Hoskinson and others have been quite vocal on the shortcomings of the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains. Bitcoin was created to eliminate a central authority in verifying transactions due to its simple design. It was very secure, but the Bitcoin blockchain was not modifiable and has very few outside payments. Bitcoin is now referred to as a first-generation blockchain. Ethereum is commonly called a second-generation blockchain. Ethereum was created in 2015 as a platform for deploying smart contracts and decentralized apps. This enabled users to exchange money, property, shares, or anything of value in a clear, conflict-free way and still eschewed the need for a central authority. But Ethereum has run into such problems as high gas fees and scalability. Cardano is part of the so-called third generation in blockchain technology, which includes platforms like Polkadot and Cosmos. Aside from scalability, third-generation platforms like Cardano also seek to address interoperability and sustainability issues that plagued the earlier generations. Hoskinson started Cardano with his former Ethereum colleague Jerry Wood in 2014 after leaving Ethereum, following a difference in opinion with the team running the Ethereum Foundation over governance and the role of venture capital. Cardano is supported by the same named foundation that aids the research and development of the protocol and its community. The Cardano project's development is spearheaded by the for-profit company Input Output Hong Kong, IOHK. Hoskinson also heads IOHK, the project signed by leading academics in several universities worldwide to review their work before announcing Cardano to the world. In 2017, Cardano launched its native cryptocurrency ADA, named in homage to 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, a child of English poet Lord Byron. Lovelace is credited as being one of the world's first computer programmers by being the first to publish her idea of a machine algorithm for a computer-like analytical engine. The Cardano project itself is named after Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. Cardano has been different from other blockchain projects from the start. In lieu of publishing a white paper, Cardano adopted a collection of unique design principles, engineering best practices, and created avenues for continued exploration to achieve its goals. This decision has seen the Ethereum challenger gaining global prominence in a few short years. The project remains entirely open source and unpatented. Understanding key components. Ouroboros is Cardano's consensus algorithm. It's a proof-of-stake model with a twist. A proof-of-stake allows nodes with the highest number of stakes or coins to create transaction blocks. The Ouroboros algorithm works in a very different way. What the Cardano team did with the Ouroboros is to divide physical time into epochs made of slots, which are just fixed periods. These so-called epochs operate in an annual fashion, whereby when one epoch ends, another comes online. This helps to reduce network congestion and save on gas fees. The epochs are divided further, with each having a slot leader chosen by other nodes. These slot leaders will see the creation and confirmation of transaction blocks to be added to the blockchain. If the selected slot leader cannot create a transaction block in an epoch, the next slot leader will have a go at it. The transaction block submitted by the slot leader will further be reviewed by input endorsers, who are the second group of stakeholders running the Ouroboros protocol. These input endorsers are also elected based on the amount of ADA tokens they have staked in the network. The Ouroboros mining process removes the need for an energy-consuming proof-of-work protocol, which has been a source of controversy and negative publicity surrounding the Bitcoin and Ethereum networks. Proof of stake is said to be the consensus mechanism that will replace the proof-of-work protocol brought by Bitcoin. A proof-of-work protocol allows crypto miners to invest computing power to see who will be chosen to mine a transaction block. The successful miner is rewarded with the native coin of the network. The hard fork combinatory that went live on March 2nd and has resulted in Cardano gaining wider acceptance for the DeFi community. Now crypto enthusiasts looking for more scalability for their DeFi, non-fungible tokens or NFTs, or stablecoin projects can move to Cardano. Mary represents a key part of IOHK's growth strategy. The upgrade promises to eliminate high gas fees, ensure a much more stable and secure network, and bolster Cardano's standing as a potential Ethereum killer. After Goguen, next up in Cardano's roadmap for its future development is the Basho era, which will aim to improve interoperability and scalability. The final era will be Voltaire, which will introduce a voting and treasury system for governance. What does the future hold for the Cardano project? High fees has been a limiting factor for the DeFi space. As the appeal for these projects increases with record values locked up, Ethereum's gas fees have made them an expensive endeavor. Cardano is aiming to fix this and more with its Mary upgrade. Cardano developers can now create custom tokens or import projects from other blockchains into the Cardano network. This could be beneficial for new and interesting projects such as in DeFi and NFT ecosystems. Will Cardano's Mary upgrade finally position the one-time underdog as a serious challenger to Ethereum? While Cardano is innovating, other blockchains perform, including Ethereum, are in the race to work out issues like scalability and sustainability as well. But in the world of technology, it's not necessarily the best technology that wins, but rather the one with the better business strategy. I hope you liked this video. We'll see you in the next one.